Yeah. Oh, hold on. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it.
This is a video of how to slay your old ass, done ass. What the fuck is this ass? Cheap ass. Oh, it's not cheap. Cause when I was broke, this was not cheap. Okay, I was gonna say broke ass, old ass wig when you don't got no money. Okay, we don't got no money, so we got a wig. You can see how like it ain't shit. It's not shit right now, but we're gonna make it into shit, and we're gonna make that shit into gold right now. Okay, by slaying this motherfucking wig. Let's put this bad boy plop it on my head. All right, first we're gonna hook this shit up. I'm gonna title this "How do you make your 2-year-old AliExpress wig into a bomb ass wig? Yeah, just got this today, fresh out, new weave. Who this? Okay, so we're gonna plop this on our head. I'm gonna put this on here. So first we're gonna do is we're gonna glue this bad boy to our head. So I'm gonna take my Ghost Bond glue, and what I like to do is, I already was using this. I'm just gonna take my iceberg alcohol. Okay. Alcohol right here, because this is where I'm basically like put it. Here's my hairline. Here's where I'm gonna put it. So if I can just put some alcohol like right here. What I like to do, my hairline is out of the way, and then we're just gonna spread a thin ass layer like that on our head top. My hair is right here, so all I'm gonna do is just basically take that and drag it up, but not drag it up to the hair. Fan it. That's one layer. I actually want to take off my wig for tonight, so I'm just gonna do 1.5 layer. I'm gonna take off my wig for tonight. So we're gonna start off with the first layer, and then put it down like this, and then make sure the edges are going to be like that. I'm gonna make sure the edges are bams. Actually, pro tip, if you really wanted to take off your wig, you should have put this one you have on actual like makeup, because you know a dirty surface makes your wig like it's easy to come off. If it's clean surface, basically what I did with isopropyl alcohol, clean off your wig top, you know, your emo wig top, clean off your head top, and you just like rub it. That's a clean surface, and clean surface equals better, you know, better stick. So I shouldn't have cleaned my forehead when I did that. So that's a tip. If you want your wig to stay on all day, clean the surface of your forehead. If you don't want it to stay on all day, don't have to clean your surface of your forehead. Actually, if you want to like take it off immediately as you come home in the night, basically what you have to do is, once you've done your makeup, and you know you have your makeup all up on your forehead, then you put on your wig. It will stick no matter what. Look at that. Look at that. It will stick no matter what. But by the end of the night, when you sweat all the makeup on your forehead, all you need to do is take some water and it will come off like really simple. This is way too, this was way too much. This is way too perfect. But actually this is where my hairline is like null and void, because I don't have hair right here, but right here is where I have my hair at. So this is the tricky part, doing the sides. So I like the front first, then my sides. A toothbrush and my Got to Be, and I'm just gonna do my sides away from this. Now on the next side, 8 minutes. Wow, 8 minutes. I'm just gonna do it on my other sideburns right here. And let me tell you something. Oh my god, look at my damn skin. Okay, let me tell you something. Use glue once in a blue moon. Don't ever use it all the time. Although it's better than got to be, but for the sake of it, I just don't use it more than once. So much. So basically, now that I glued my edges down, no time at all. And as I said, I don't really care how much it's tacked down, as long as it's tacked down perfectly at the end. I'm gonna use the rest of the got to be that is on here and then start some baby hairs. That up. We're just gonna and let's put on some music, because I'm probably gonna do a voiceover for this because I don't care actually. So all I'm gonna do is do some light baby hairs on my face. You see.
Hey, yo, you fucking with that? Okay, cool. Good job. My fucking brother. Next time.
Yeah, I know I said I didn't care. That's not what I meant. Anyways, so let's get on to this hair tutorial video. I had to switch over to voiceover because I don't know, my energy just went down south. My bad. So right here, as you can see, I'm just like taking out a couple of baby hairs and just not really baby hairs, grown hairs, and then I am cutting them to the length of baby hairs. So I'm taking basically my got to be glue and I am using that to set down the already cut baby hairs that I did on both sides. Yeah, right here, I don't know what I was trying to do, but I was trying to see if I could get a part, and I just was trying to set down more baby hairs and just wrap that with my scarf, give it a little time, and then I'm just gonna be on to using my hairbrush straightener and just give my hair a workaround before I start flat ironing it. And there's nothing much I can explain. Just watch the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.